Look closely at this deployed blog post. The text formatting is clean, the main image stretches perfectly across the column, and the URL is structured for clear reading by both users and search engines. Over the next 6 minutes, we are going to walk through the exact process of taking a plain text draft and turning it into a live, globally accessible web page. You will need 3 assets to complete this deployment: an active Google account, a text document containing your draft, and a high-quality local image file. Blogging is the operational process of taking ideas off your local hard drive and converting them into public, indexed digital equity. Step 1 is authentication. Navigate to blogger.com and click the Sign In button to connect your Google credentials. Once you are inside the dashboard, click the Create New Blog button to initialize your workspace. Enter a title for your site's primary header. Next, define the address for your Blogspot URL using strictly letters and numbers. The system automatically runs an availability check. Adjust the wording until you receive a confirmation checkmark. Securing this unique URL gives your content an exact permanent location on the internet. With your domain ready, click the New Post button to open the content editor. Paste your drafted text into the main body and type your article headline. Use the top toolbar to apply the heading tag to break up sections, and use the bold feature to highlight specific terms. You are currently working in the Visual Compose node. If you ever need to directly manipulate the code of your post, click the HTML button to access the raw markup. To insert media, place your cursor where you want the file, click the Insert Image option, select Upload from Computer, and open your local image. Images often default to a medium size upon upload. Click the image and select Extra Large. Notice how this action scales the visual to perfectly align with your text margins. Setting up a clear typographic hierarchy and properly scaling your media organizes a raw text file into a highly readable publication. Turn to the Post Settings sidebar to configure metadata. Enter keywords into the Label section to act as categories. Next, use the Schedule toggle to publish automatically, or switch it to lock in a specific release date for a coordinated launch. By default, Blogger creates a long, unstructured URL permalink based on your entire headline, making it difficult for users and search engines to parse. Click on Custom Permalink to fix this. Type in a condensed version of your keywords and strictly place hyphens between each word. This metadata configuration acts as a clean, organized bridge between your writing and the search engine algorithms evaluating it. It is time to finalize the deployment. Click Save in the upper right corner to back up your work, and then click Preview to review the page for any final formatting errors. Return to the editor interface and click the orange Publish button. Click Confirm to commit your post to the live server. Click View Blog to verify. At the top, the address bar displays the hyphenated permalink, and scrolling down reveals your extra-large image anchoring the text. By completing these steps, you have successfully transitioned from writing a local draft to managing a permanent, optimized application on the web. It is time to finalize the deployment. Click Save in the upper right corner to back up your work, then click Preview to review the page for final formatting errors. Return to the editor and click the orange Publish button, then click Confirm to commit. Click View Blog to verify the output. The address bar displays your clean permalink, and scrolling down reveals your properly scaled image. By completing these steps, you transition from a local draft to an optimized publication online.